to remove a hard drive from a laptop. I have here an old Toshiba laptop that was used and it's now broken. So for me to be able to recycle it, I'm going to remove the hard drive so I can make it an external hard drive and use it in some computer works as storage. So tools needed: jeweler's screwdriver and knife, pointed knife for the removal of rubber stopper of the computer. So let's start now. I'm flipping the computer, and on this part is where the hard drive is. First thing that we should do is, for safety consideration, we need to make it sure that all source of power is removed, because it might get you shock. And first thing that we should do is to remove the battery. And put it on one side. So, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to use the knife just to remove the rubber cover. These are the covers where the screws are. It's easy to do, and you can do it by yourself. So all you need is some courage and confidence, because you thought that it's a computer, it's kind of delicate, so it's hard to do something with it. So all you need to have is a courage and confidence to do it. So on this computer, where the hard drive is, there are 3 screws. So you have to remove all these 3 screws to expose the hard drive. Just to make it sure that it's all unscrews. Okay, and this is the cover. I will just set aside the cover of the computer, and this part is where the hard drive is. So there's a cover. There are like 3 screws that you need to remove. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Oh no, that's not. Yeah, there's supposed to have a screw, but nothing. But 4 screws. So we will unscrew it. All these screws. We'll remove all the screws so we can see. And I'm going to put the screws there. 1, 2, and oops, 3. So lift the hard drive and pull it out, because now this is the hard drive and it's out from the computer. So you can use this hard drive now to put in a hard drive case, and you can use again this hard drive to become an external hard drive for your future purposes. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So thank you very much. And